Yay! Hello and welcome everyone to this new room tour video here of the Dioskouroi apartment. Yeah, it's a studio apartment and yeah, here's the entrance. Here you are coming in. And yeah, then on the left side there's a bathroom with a shower. Here and the window too. It's okay, nothing special, but everything what you need. Then here we have a small kitchen, but without oven, but of course with a fridge. And here's something to cook. And then we have here a very huge double bed. It was perfect for Ada and me. We had a lot of space. As you can see, it's for 4 people. They can sleep here. And then another couch in front of it. And here something for clothes. A small table. And here we have a mirror. Yes, very good. And now comes the balcony. It's a really nice balcony with a couch also, a small couch. And in the afternoon the sun is here and we have sun, yeah, many hours from here to there, and yeah, nice view too. It's not a sea view, but nice view over the mountains. And yeah, it looks a little bit tropical here with the pine tree, and yeah, I like it very much. As you can see in my last videos, we also have a swimming pool here and a jacuzzi on the rooftop, and from the rooftop we have sea view and a more nice view to the mountains. Just check out the last videos here on my channel and you can find it. And yeah, Ada is not here in the moment, as you can see. She's already working. And yeah, I wanted to record the room tour video with her together like the last times, but we forgot it all the time, or we were outside, and then when we came back it was already too late, or she is working every day too, and I wanted to record this video here with sunlight and not in the night when she finished work, or we were able to record it in her break. Sometimes she has a break for 2 hours, but yeah, then we didn't recorded it because yeah, we were at the pool, for example, or at the beach, and so yeah, we forgot it. That's why I'm recording it now, just in selfie style, and I hope you enjoyed it. I personally like room tour videos very much. And yeah, today I will move now in some hours to the other apartment, again to Yanni's residence. I already showed you the room. That's why I will not make another room tour there, because it's just the same room. And yeah, I already put all my things together here, my diving equipment and everything, and now it's time to move slowly. I will go to Yanni's residence now. It's very close to this apartment here, to Dioskouroi apartments, and then I will come back with the key, and then slowly I will bring my things to the other apartment. Yeah, and I will stay in Yanni's residence 5 days, and then I will move to a new apartment again, and there we will make another room tour video. So stay tuned and see you in my next vlogs, everyone. Bye bye.